All right, so back on the 335. I don't know where we left off at, but we back on the 335. And yeah, I'll show you what we got so far. So far, I got the motor mocked up. Motor's mocked up. So I made some marks. I put the turbo up. I had the turbo on, but I had to put it up. So basically, nothing hits. I put a nut under the motor to raise it up a little bit. So now the turbo doesn't hit right there. So we got clearance right there, which is only a little bit, but better than nothing. So that's fine. Now what I want to do is, I mark right here a couple spots I may want to hit down with the hammer. Probably get some more space. I mark where we're gonna put the wastegates, one right there, one right there. And then I mark where we're gonna put the oil. What do you call it? Oil. That's oil cooler. Damn, what you call that thing? I forgot. You know what I'm talking about. Catch can. Oil catch can. So. And I got where the intercooler was gonna go. I put the intercooler, mount that up, so that's gonna go. So yeah, man, pretty much everything mounted up. Now, lift the motor, pull it out. So that's what I'm about to do now. Lift the motor and pull it out. Just gotta lift on this thing. And voila. Why the motor wouldn't come with it? Huh? Nah, I'm talking to the camera. I don't know why. Let me tell me what it hooks. I don't know why. Oh, you don't want to stay. Hello. Pull back for me, please. Oh, you on the phone. We on the 335, y'all. But
still gonna conflict. It's a weird fit.
it's like the hot side and the cold side is like right there.
can do is get a pipe welded from the turbo to bring it down here, and then you can do your coupler.
Yeah, we can do that.
So your coupler don't get hot and melt.
Yeah, we can do that. I don't care about this turbo. We can weld it.
There's not very many options as far as fitment goes.
Well, let's do that. That's aluminum, right? That's it. Yeah, I'll have them do that shit. We'll just weld that and then make it longer.
Where's your return gonna go? It's gonna snake down through there, right?
Mm-hmm.
If the wastegate could have went, no, it can't go down there. No, you need that real estate for the drain and the fucking.
Mm-hmm. Should I plug the drain in right now to see? The drain should be fine.
I think the drain's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll go straight now.
Uh-huh. I gotta find that hose. I don't know what happened to it.
And if you look, you can see how I got it right up against the turbo. This shit up with tire clamp.
Yeah, it look good.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack the bottom so it's strong,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll work on the back.
Yeah.
So I might have to do that in the morning. Let me see. 503, yeah. Tack the bottom, and then when I get here in the morning, I'll fuck with the other side. Let me see.
We getting close.
You may have to hold it and stabilize it.
Do I need some gloves or some shit? Some hot?
No, you don't need anything. It's just so it doesn't try to bend down when it's tacked. I got it, because I don't want you to get burned. You got your hand in the danger zone. Trust me. Sparks start flying.
Start crying.
Do you want to towel right here then?
Sparks start flying.
I put a hole, but I'll fix it. This flange is for sure not the right flange. Cause this is still loose, and we bend it up a little bit right there. Put one more tack, and we're gonna leave her alone.
We got it nice.
All right. Oh, look at her.
Oh, you put two?
Yeah, just so.
Yeah, so you know, yeah.
Those gates are heavier than 38s.
Damn, that shit look hard though.
So let's see.
Yeah, so I pulled the motor back out. So now I'm putting the motor back in. Now with the downpipe and all that stuff on there, so we can check fitment again, start re-welding some stuff and see what else needs to be done. So as you see, me and my boy Kuda, we putting the motor in, man. This one was a little task because, I don't know, man, the wiring was in the way. This time a bunch of more stuff was in the way because now we got more stuff on the motor, so now I know to take off the downpipe, take off all that stuff before you put the motor in. But we live and we learn, man. We live and we learn. Because once I got that dang downpipe off, the motor went in. It was a little struggle. A little snuggle struggle. Motor's back in. You see I got the oil catch can breather lines already, you know what I'm saying, put on there. Put the turbo back on. We're getting everything right, getting everything fitted. And we got to order some more parts, and I'll see y'all till then.